Okay, so I'm going to cut the pattern now. Now, this pattern already includes seam allowance. And now remember, I want this stripe now in the middle here. And the width of the stripe is 5 centimeters. So what I need to do is when I cut the stripe, because the stripe is I'm going to do the stripe like this. I'm going to overlock the two edges to the two panels, the front and the back panel. Maybe I will do a top stitch, I don't know yet. But so the current width, the width that I want is 5 centimeters. So that means I must cut the black, of the ink blue, I must cut 7 centimeters wide to include the 1 centimeter seam allowance for the black on both sides. And then to make up the width, to reduce the width now to make sure the pants are still the correct width, I'm going to divide the 5 centimeters in two, so which means I must reduce the left leg and the right leg with 2.5 centimeters. But I'm going to reduce it only with 2 centimeters so that there's a little bit of slack still there. So when we finished, it should look like this at the end. So both sides should have the 1 centimeter seam allowance. So and on this piece here, I'm going to do the pocket so that I don't waste textile. Squeeze the pocket in there. So both of the legs are reduced with 2 centimeter, and that 2 centimeter on both sides will be, I will make them up now with a 5 centimeter black stripe. Normally I would reduce them with 2.5, but because I want them to be a little bit more loose fitting, I'm going to reduce them with 2 only. Okay. So let me start cutting. I've added 3 centimeters at the bottom for the hem. And this fleece I'm cutting on the, I need to do it like this, cut here. This is now the 2 centimeters that I'm reducing on each side. You don't do this because this is now just, I think this is fine. Okay. And then I'm going to do this side here on top. The crotch area. Then we'll have a look again. But yeah, so this pattern is actually a very easy pattern to do. It's just now that I want to put the stripe. You can put the stripe on top of everything, but I don't like that. I just want to make sure here now that we are reduced now with the 2 centimeters. So it looks like we've reduced it now. So I dip the chalk in the water. because it doesn't want to mark properly on this fleece. I just want to mark the pocket area here. So here's the first part now. So I'm going to do the rest, and then we'll see. It looks like more or less we've got our 2 centimeters there that it's reduced with, and it's got the curve here at the bottom, so I think everything is fine here. Okay.